Hey everybody, I'm super excited today because we're having our very first guest. The guest is my nail gun. Can you believe it? Now after I got all of the power tools I could ever possibly want, I think there were 6 or 7 of them, I thought I was done. I was not done. I added to the list a grinder, we've covered that already, and now added a nail gun. It's kind of technically a staple gun, a nail gun. And if you're gangster, you shoot it sideways. It's amazing. Here's how it works. It shoots staples, and you attach an air compressor hose to this end by pulling this back, shooting it right into this thing. I believe it is called a thing, and then this part is also called a thing. Kind of convenient that way. The hose then hooks up to the compressor itself. Same idea. Pull the thing backwards, shoot this in. Awesome. And then to take it off, you do it all in reverse. But I know what you're thinking. Here, let me get my iPhone out of my butt. You're thinking, where am I going to put all this? I don't need an air compressor, all this rigmarole stuff sitting around my house. But listen up. What's cool is once you buy this, you have it forever. And it will serve you well for many decades. It's kind of like my friend who acquired a La Cienega Boulevard freeway off-ramp sign. It was a big undertaking getting it home that night. He did the difficult work, and now he gets to enjoy the fruits of his labor that I had nothing to do with in helping to acquire this gift from the Lord. It's a tool for putting things together more quickly, more rapidly, without big nasty nail heads sticking out. Hey, look at me. I'm making a rectangular structure for no apparent reason with the nail gun. There is a reason though. I was at a yard sale and they were selling this Hot Wheel traveling suitcase thing that was super awesome, a blast to the past. But in the inside, the plastic compartments that held the Hot Wheels were all busted up because 1973, you know what I'm saying? So I repurposed it. This does not go into a trash can, my friend. And check this out. I love this fact. The dude back in the day made a list of all the Hot Wheels in his set. This person was creative and organized. Usually you're one or the other. Young little home slice was both. So as a result of having a nail gun and some scrap lumber and a little bit of life but not much of one, I was able to rescue this time capsule from the trash. And this thing is so easy to operate. You just turn it on and then this compressor is going to go all the way with air. That's the term air compressed. And what's cool is this air gun, nail gun, is not going to work unless you have it all the way pressed down like that. See that? But if you press it here, it's not going to work. And I'm not sure how much it is you can hear, but I'm not recapping nothing. Now to put staples in this thing, here's how this one works. You pull this back and you feed it right into here. See that? Then when you press this button, it shuts. Just enough. And when you're done with the project, you're going to want to let the air out of here. Step 1 is pulling this out. That's a sound that I don't particularly enjoy. And check it out, on the bottom side, there's a nozzle. You loosen it and let all the air come out. Because if you skip that step, the inside of this will slowly stay wet and get rusty. And rusty air compressor is no good. There was a time in my life where I thought I did not need a nail gun, kind of like not needing a cell phone. Get a nail gun, man. In fact, what I have isn't even a nail gun, it's more of a staple gun. And what it is, it's basically for people who want their dreams to come true more quickly.